Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel Pre Cozy Corner. I am very excited for this video because I'll be talking about Sumit and me first time in my channel. And the reason I don't talk about him much and he's not there in any of my videos is because he's very conscious about me talking about him on social media. So I'll be making a texture painting for our bedroom. If you would have seen my previous video, uh, in my bedroom there is one wall which is empty, and I don't like empty walls. It kind of scares me, and that's the reason we have all filled up walls with either paintings or photographs or some frames. So, of course, the painting will be about Sumit and me since it's for our bedroom, and I'll be making an abstract out of it. And my frame is almost ready. As soon as I staple the canvas onto the frame, I can get started with the painting.
I usually make my paintings on ready framed canvas, but this time I ordered canvas separately from Amazon. Looks quite good. I'll put the links in the description below. That's the wall I was talking about, and I'm just creating space for my new painting by putting these frames on the empty wall.
Just changed into my comfy clothes. It's a lot of work putting the canvas onto the frame. This is the first time I'll be doing. It's kind of a trial run for me. Let's see how it works out.
Also, I just want to say, take care all of you, be inside your home, wear double mask if you're going outside, if at all it is emergency. What is going on outside also has affected me last week, even though I consciously stay away from news so that I don't get depressed, but when it happens with your family and friends, it's difficult to neglect. First half of the video was shot last week because I couldn't put my head into anything new. I couldn't continue. And it just happened that I sat on my balcony and I started painting on my sketchbook last week. So I stapled it quite fine. Can't believe that I did that. Just making an impression so that I can put texture on it. There are other ways to thicken the paint, but I'm using rice flour to give the texture. While painting, I was thinking Sumit and me have stayed very less together. We don't believe in celebrating special moments, yet we do believe in them. The longest we stayed together was when we were in college, spent some memorable 3 years. After that, maybe 4 days, sometime 2 months, at the max 6 months. So it was quite regular that we would miss on to our special moments, like birthdays or anniversaries. But Sumit always says, when we are together, that's when it is a special moment. And we can't change what's destined, but we can change the way of looking at things. Find happiness in the moment, and then every day will be a special day. Chances are we will not feel sad staying away from our partner. We will definitely miss them, but we will not be sad. She really wants to come and sit with me. Anyway, so I'm using mixture of neutral and earthy tones and a mild accent tone, that is the flesh tint. To be honest, I've never tried this form of art before, but I always wanted to have a 40 by 40 abstract painting sort of a thing in my bedroom with all the dreamy feels into it, but it's too expensive if I want to buy the ones which I like. It's around 40 to 80,000. So So I thought maybe I can give it a try, and like I keep saying, it becomes a little personal and it has its own memory. But yeah, you do feel tired at times. Even in such hot weather, Zara has to take her vitamin D every day. Pari can't stay away. She's super jealous of Zara whenever I pet her. The base is ready. I have got my dreamy feel, the kind of warmth in the colors I need. And I'm just going to give an end impression, which almost kind of not something which I had thought will come out to be.
So the painting didn't turn up that great since I'm doing the abstract for the first time, abstract painting as a technique for the first time, and I've not done anything like this before. It's a trial run for me. I just wanted to share the process with you guys, how I came up with this idea and everything, and I'll just show you the painting which the what was there in my mind. This was there in my mind. That is what I was trying to do. I was making me on another canvas and I was making Sumit on another canvas. So this is the impression of Sumit, and my part of impression I had already made, but the idea of it is not going so great. So what I'm trying to do is I am trying to make the whole picture in one frame. Let's see how it comes out. Another try, and let's do it.
Starting with some darker shade to give it a depth so that if anyone sees it, understands the painting in one glance. It was actually a direction given to me by Sumit. I can't thank him enough for all the small details, yet big helps. From finding out to write software for me for editing, in fact, making a whole new PC for me. I don't know, a lot more other things. He has always been a good friend and he always helps me out wherever I get stuck. Even when I don't even ask him to, he just finds out somehow. Our bedroom has a touch of gold in most of the things, a contrast of dark and gold. I'm just trying to capture the feel of it. Let's see how does it look on the wall. And how did you all like my first try of abstract painting? Let me know in the comments below. And now even Sumit is free from his work. We have been watching Harry Potter series since couple of weeks, and probably we are going to do the same thing today with some popcorn and some good family time. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps the channel a lot.